Open, G scale with the F sharp. And one octave and back. Following the same intervals, we're going to play fret 1 on the 3rd string, fret 3 on the 3rd string. Make sure to use these fingers. Fret 1 on the 2nd string, the 2nd fret, and the 4th fret. And here on the 1st string, we're going to play 1, ring finger on fret 3, and pinky on fret 4. So that would be index ring, index middle pinky, index ring pinky. So our first scale was the open positioning. Our second scale was the 1st fret positioning. Then we're going to move it to fret 2. Fret 2 positioning, it's the same finger numbers, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4. Same on fret 3, position 3. Finger 1, fret 3 of the 3rd string to finger 3, fret 5 of the 3rd string. Finger 1, fret 3 of the 2nd string, fret 4, and fret 6, followed by string 1, fret 3, fret 5, fret 6. Alright, so far we have several positions of this. Open, 1st, 2nd, 3rd. Practice it until it feels really natural, and then you'll be able to play it in any position. So now I'm going to play it from position open to position 5. 2, 3, 4. Played your major scale 1 octave in G, G sharp, A sharp, B, and C.